Hello and good morning guys. Today I am in Lahore, Pakistan, and I am staying at PC Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel here in Lahore. And right now I am going to give you a short tour of PC Pearl Continental Hotel in Lahore. This is one of the 5-star hotels in Pakistan. Right now it costs $80 per night, but normally it is $150, which is like 20,000. But right now, since this is coronavirus and the demand is very low, that is why it is now affordable in a very low price. So let's just take a tour. First of all, right now we have the breakfast in this hotel, so I'm going to show you the breakfast, and then I will show you the room, the bathroom, the balconies, and also the lobby and all other amenities in this hotel. And meet my friend Naeem Sikandar. You can see he is my buddy for quite a long time now. So let's take the tour, guys. So guys, this is the Pakistani breakfast, where you can see there are many items, and I'm going to show you them one by one. You can see this is called halwa here in Pakistan, and this is that's the share there. This is aloo keema. These are choles, which is very famous in Pakistan, especially in Lahore. And I can show you these are parathas, a kind of parathas, but they are called actually. Okay, these are called puris, halwa puris, you can say too. And let me show you. This is omelette, egg omelette, and these are boiled eggs. And these are parathas, which are very famous in Pakistan and especially Lahore. Another omelette, because we are 2 people, actually we are 4 people, and they have juices, they have yogurt, they have coffee and tea. And so this is, guys, the 5-star nashta or the 5-star breakfast here in PC Hotel Lahore. So guys, right now I'm at the lobby of PC Hotel. This is a very big area. You can see so many attractions and activities there. A car behind me, and in that area in the background you can see there are multiple restaurants where you can order any kind of food, local or international food. You can also order from your room. This is very easy. You just need to dial a number, and the guy will bring it to your room actually. And there is also a shopping mall inside this hotel where you will find local products, very fancy products, I must say. And there are so many shops there. Other than that, this hotel has a spa, gym and swimming pool, where I'm just going right now, and I will show you these areas as well.